Welcome to the Bengal Spotlight. Here at Braswell High School, we take great pride in honoring the incredible dedication and passion of our educators and staff. Today, we pause to celebrate excellence as we recognize our 2026 Teacher of the Year and Staff Member of the Year. Your commitment, hard work, and impact do not go unnoticed. You inspire, you lead, and you make a difference every single day. And thank you for all that you do.
My name's Maranatha Middleton. I'm LVN at Braswell High School, and I feel very honored to have gotten this award this year. This is my 4th year here. We like to say that we're seniors this year because it's our 4th year. I became a nurse when I was 40 after raising my 3 boys, and just decided that I wanted to do nursing. I've been a nurse now for 16 years. I had done pediatric home health before I came to the schools, but schools are what I really love to do. I have 6 grandchildren and that I love very much, and I feel like I have a whole lot more kids than my actual ones. The students, they cheer me up, they make me laugh. I really enjoy my job, and I appreciate the people that I work with, and I appreciate the fact that they voted for me and for this position.
My name is Allison Holland. I go to Braswell High. Mr. Carr is a very young teacher, so he knows how to kind of be our friend, but also be a teacher at the same time. So he knows how to delegate tasks, but he also knows how to make it fun and engaging to make sure kids are still doing their job and getting stuff done. And he also knows how to make sure it's a student-led yearbook. It's a student-led broadcast, it's a student-led newspaper, and he isn't overbearing, but he's still there if we need his help. My friends from last year, he's at UNT, and he is in the journalism department because Mr. Carr gave him a letter of recommendation, and he knows people. And he just teaches you the basic and sets you up for success in the future, so that if you do want to go into a journalism position in the future, you have all the basics that you need for that. And he's really good at helping everyone.
My name is Daniel Ryan Carr. I actually go by Ryan, my middle name, and I am the journalism advisor at Braswell High School, where I teach Journalism 1, 2 photojournalism courses, and yearbook, newspaper, and broadcast. I am a Denton High School graduate, class of 2015. I went to the University of North Texas, Mayborn School of Journalism, where I got a Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, specifically a major in public relations and a minor in marketing. I pursued the Alternative Teaching Certification Program with iTeach Texas in 2021. I had spent a year outside of college working part-time for Denton Bible Church, where I was involved with communications, office management, and just event planning for our student ministries program. I pursued the Alternative Teaching Certification Program, took my content test in journalism because I did it in high school. In high school, I was the online editor-in-chief of our student newspaper and the senior editor of our yearbook. We didn't have a broadcast program at the time, but I did that in high school, so it kind of inspired me to become a teacher. I did the Alternative Teacher Certification Program, and then I became eligible to be hired in 21 in the fall. The summer. I'm from Denton, so I wanted to teach here. And the rest is history. I've been here ever since. It's going on 5 years, so next year will be year 6. I'm very grateful to be honored and chosen by the faculty at Braswell High School for the Teacher of the Year. It's year 10, so that's a big honor in and of itself, but I don't take credit myself. I'm very grateful for it, but it's all the work of our students in yearbook, newspaper, and broadcast. They make everything I do worth it. They're the reason I come to school every day. So I'm very honored to have been chosen by the Braswell faculty and staff, and I thank them for the recognition.
And this is the Bengal Spotlight.